Hi, I'm Jeremy with Scout Peak Home Buyers. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how we calculate your cash offer. Our simple formula is ARV minus repairs, minus holding costs, minus our minimum profit equals your offer. First, ARV means after repair value. That's what the home should reasonably sell for after it's fixed up, based on recent comps, not wishful thinking, just the real market. Second, repairs. We estimate what it will actually cost to get the home market ready. Things like roof, HVAC, plumbing, paint, flooring, kitchens, and bathrooms. We share those line items with you. Third, holding costs. These are the costs we carry while we do the work and sell the home. Taxes, insurance, utilities, maintenance, interest, and closing costs on resale. Fourth, our minimum profit. That's the margin that we need to keep the business healthy and cover our risk. It's not a mystery number, we keep it realistic and consistent. ARV minus repairs, minus holding, minus your minimum profit equals your offer. Here's a simple example just to illustrate. If the ARV is $400,000 and we budget $70,000 for repairs, $25,000 for holding and resale costs, and $35,000 for minimum profit, the offer would be around $270,000. That's 400 minus 70 minus 25 minus 35. There are no hidden fees, and we typically cover standard closing costs. You also pick the date, as fast as 7 to 14 days or later if you need more time. If you'd like us to walk through your numbers, just book an appointment on this page. I'm Jeremy with Scout Peak, local, helpful, and fair, and I'm happy to show you the math step by step.